Hey guys, we're changing the filter finally because I'm back and I'm here to help out. So, lift this up from these two right here. Boom. Makes it so much easier. Set it down. Then this one you want to lift up. If it doesn't come up, then just use the back of a screwdriver and pop it up. Whoa, see? Easy peasy. And then there's a filter right on the bottom. Critters in here too. Stuck somewhere. Okay, let's compare. Dirty and clean. About the same size. Oh, why does it look? It's about the same size, right?
20 25 times 1 มันก็เหมือนอยู่นี่
Is that what it says here?
20 25 times 1
20, 25 times 1. 20, 25 times 1.
Yeah, same.
This just looks smaller.
What
ใช่
one? That's two in there.
I know, but it just looks smaller.
No, same.
Oh, when I guess we put it that way, it's the same.
มัน
Yay!
มี2นี่
Yeah.
มี2อันนี่
So let's put it on. So with this, the filter goes here, and the instruction says you have to put the arrows pointing towards the airflow. And then there's the airflow right there. So we want this diamond part to come upwards. And we're just gonna put some essential oils. Just dab it, just. I can smell it already, so nice. So this one is eucalyptus.
and sweet orange
Ooh, lemongrass.
lemongrass
Jab it down, jab it down, jab it down.
ไม่มีด้วย
All right, the essential oil's on, and now you just wiggle this through. It's really snug fit. All right, and then you could write the date anywhere on here. Month and year, just, you know, for fun. So you know how long the filter's been there. Okay, toodles, doodles. Oh, and if you put it back on, just work yourself backwards. So you're gonna put the bottom piece first.
มันเป็นไปได้มาทอด
Hooks onto this top part. And then the top piece goes right on top.
อย่างนี้แล้วก็ออกมาได้
Also, I just noticed that it says up right here. So it's coming up. That's cool.
มุฟกลับไปแล้วก็อัพมาเท่านั้นเอง
Yeah.
ใช่ไหมมัน
You've
มุ
got
ฟได้
Yeah.
right
You got it.
Together.
Yep.
okay
So make sure when you slide this in, make sure this back piece goes in before you close it off so everything stays flush and secure. Okay, bye.